Okay, so after I boil it for about a good hour and a half, I take it out and I season it with a little bit of garlic salt, pepper, special salt, a little paprika, another little special rub. I rub lemon and pepper, olive oil, and then I would like to have some half-dried tomatoes, but I forgot those, so I'm just going to have to do with what I have now, and a lemon in the middle right now would be nice, but I also forgot that. But then after that, I'm going to add my vegetables to the pot, which are over there, and I'm going to do my noodles, and that is going to be a perfect chicken noodle soup.